In this video I'm going to show you how to install and manage bookmarks in Safari. If you want to bookmark a page, simply go to the page you want to bookmark. In this particular example I'm using the Warrior Forum at warriorforum.com. Come up here to where it says Bookmarks, click on it once, select Add Bookmark. This window will open and you can decide where you want the page bookmarked. You can bookmark it in the Bookmarks bar, which is this bit up at the top here, or you can select from the drop down menu. I'm going to bookmark it in Popular, and this is a bit long so I shall shorten it like that, and then click on Add. And then when I go to the Popular drop down menu, you can see the Warrior Forum is now listed. To organize your bookmarks, click here on the Show All Bookmarks icon. This window opens up and you can drag and drop to another location very easily. You can see we now have the Warrior Forum bookmark here in the Bookmarks bar. To import bookmarks from another application, come here to File and Import Bookmarks. This pop-up window opens and you can select a file that's previously been saved as an HTML file. Just select it there, click on Open, and there we can see all these newly imported bookmarks, and I can drag and drop them to different locations within the Safari bookmarks if I wish.